everybody, Miss Lavoie here. I know I'm in a sweatshirt and a scarf, but I'm staying cozy and warm. So I know that your teachers have been using Google Classroom, and that's been a great way to get in touch with you guys. For us, I've just been emailing you all, and that has been working well, but I decided to also use YouTube so I can make videos and go over any information with you guys. And if you have any questions, please let me know. This video is going to be a little longer. I think in the near future, I'm going to separate it by video for English, video for geography, video for science, video for math, and then go from there. But for right now, it'll just be a longer video. So stay with me. Thanks. So I have up my Google Classroom, and I think everybody should, you bring up Google Classroom too, so we can talk about the assignment while looking at it. So right now I am going to English, okay? So I am on the reflection journal on meaningful learning. So on here, you are just reflecting on the activity that you did. You're going to answer the questions. What did you choose to learn about? Why is this interesting and important to you? What did you learn? Did you enjoy this activity? Anything else you'd like to mention? If you're having trouble coming up with something to write about or do, shoot me an email. I don't mind bouncing ideas off. I don't mind you bouncing ideas off of me. I would gladly help you figure out what to do. So that's English. Okay. So now I'm going to go to Mr. Villard's Google Classroom. And I'm going to first talk about March formal writing. We worked a lot on that in class. If you have any more questions, though, please reach out to me. If you have any questions on how to transition from paragraph 2 to 3, 1 to 2, topic sentences, opening, closing sentences, transition sentences, please reach out to me. I'm here to help. I think you all have been doing a great job at it. I've been taking a peek at them, so you guys have been working really, really well. I'm really proud of you. But if you have any more questions on the formal writing, please reach out to me. For the Global Scholars, Unit 4 post number 2, Biodiversity Solutions. Okay, I'm looking at the instructions down. Please watch all of those links that Mr. Villard attached. It will really help you out. They have some great information on them. The videos aren't long at all. They're 2 to 4 minutes. So definitely check those out. So in the instructions, it says, be sure to include references to these sources, the videos, and websites in your paragraphs. You should try to include 3 to 4 of the unit vocabulary terms, also included below. You will type your paragraphs in Global Scholars, Unit 4, post number 2, Biodiversity Solutions document created for you below. So everything's there. So once you open up the tab, everything's there. If you go through each of the links, it's there. Maybe even while watching the videos, since they're short, you can watch it 2 or 3 times. So, watch it once, for your enjoyment, then watch it again and have maybe taking notes to think, okay, so what do I want to focus on in this video? What should I focus on in this video? And then go from there. And then while you're, writing down this information, it'll be so much easier to look back on when you're writing your paragraphs, right? So that's just a helpful hint. Next, I'm going to go to science, Miss Bellini's classroom. You may always pause the video too if you need a couple minutes to get to the Google Classroom that I'm talking about. Okay, so today, Miss Bellini sent out the Newsella article. You're going to read that and then take the quiz. So what I would do is I would read the article once, you know, for my enjoyment. And then I would go back, and Newsela is super cool because it has tools that you can highlight and you could take notes. If you don't want to take notes on, you know, on the computer, you can also take notes here on a separate sheet of paper, and so forth. For the highlight, it's a super cool tool that you can use, and you can just go through the article. You know, if I were you, I'd read it once for my enjoyment, and then I'd read it again, and that's what I would highlight. I would highlight any information that I find that's eye-popping, any information that I think would help me with the quiz, and then you're going to take the quiz. It's probably 5 questions. Usually Newsela is 5 questions, and usually the Newsela article is 2 to 3 pages. So you guys can read it, you know, over as many times as you'd like. Once again, though, if you have any questions on the reading, please reach out to me. And last but not least, talking about Zoom. Miss Blaney said she's going to start Zoom, which is so awesome. I'm making my account too, so I can join on with you guys, and then we can chit chat then. If you have any questions on Zoom or how to make Zoom or your account information, please reach out to me or Miss Bellini. We're both very happy to help. But yeah, so this is the first video. You know, don't forget to pause it if you know, want to follow me like how I was doing with the Google Classroom. But yes, I miss you guys, and I hope these videos are helpful. Please email me if you have any questions. I miss you all so much, and I hope you are staying healthy and happy, and I can't wait to see you soon. Miss LaVoy, bye!